Here is a small observation that might surprise you. Most artists do not struggle with drawing. They struggle with deciding what to draw. Once you have a clear subject, drawing becomes much easier. So the real challenge is not drawing skill. The real challenge is choosing a starting idea. AI helps us solve that problem. Think of AI as creative helper that suggests ideas when your mind feels empty. Instead of asking your brain to invent something, you simply ask a small question. For example, you might ask for a simple drawing subject. The AI might respond with something like, a sleepy cat. Now your blank page already feels less intimidating. But the idea becomes even stronger when we add one small detail. For example, a sleepy cat sitting inside a teacup. That short sentence is now a drawing prompt. This works because the idea follows three very small actions. First, you ask the AI for a simple subject. Next, you add one creative detail. Finally, you combine those pieces into one short drawing prompt. That short prompt becomes your drawing idea. Now, the reason this works so well is that your brain no longer has to invent everything. The AI provides the starting spark, and you bring the drawing to life. If that small idea helped you see drawing ideas a little more clearly, the full step-by-step version continues right from here. In the full lesson, I guide you slowly through the entire process of generating drawing ideas with AI prompts, with real examples you can follow. And you can take the whole class free for a month using my link below. It keeps building from this exact moment. And you'll also get access to thousands of other creative classes for a month, including drawing, illustrations, and creative art practice. Before you go, you're welcome to leave a quick comment. Even one word like helpful or clear helps more beginners discover this video. And I'd also love to ask you one small question. When you sit down to draw, do you usually get stuck choosing what to draw? If you have any questions at all, you're always welcome to ask. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped, you can gently like the video. Feel free to share it with someone who might need a calmer starting point for drawing ideas. And you're always welcome to subscribe if you'd like more simple guidance like this.